Hi guys, we have another product. This is a CMOS from Nutralaf Labs, and they have a turmeric, and they have also a black seed, ashwagandha, bladderweric, and 20 in 1 for this is for boost for your immune system, and this 90 BG capsules. So they have also vitamin D3 and zinc high potency blend of vitamin C dietary supplement. So the instruction here, you can take 2 capsule for with a meal. When you take this, and they have also gluten free. This is a gluten free, guys, and this is also a non-GMO, then allergen free, then tested as they can have this celled here, guys. You can see the celled, okay? And what are you waiting for, guys? Buy now. Thank you guys for watching.